Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing the original 33W charger and a good USB-C cable. This ensures proper negotiation and current. Once done, plug the charger into a wall outlet, not a power strip, to avoid voltage drops. Make sure airplane mode is on and close heavy apps. This reduces draw so charging speeds peak. Also disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. They create background traffic. Doing these steps first gives you the fastest baseline for the Redmi Note 9 Pro to accept high current safely. Next, optimize the charging handshake and thermal conditions so the phone sustains high current. Plug straight into a reliable wall socket and confirm the charger negotiates higher voltage. Redmi should show 9V or 11V negotiation if supported. Once negotiated, keep the device cool by removing bulky cases and placing it on a hard, cool surface. Heat forces the phone to throttle charging. If you must use the phone, minimize screen-on time. That prevents the system from drawing power and slowing. To finish, let the battery climb to 80–90%. Fast charging is most efficient up to that range, since trickle phase slows after about 90%. Once you hit your target, unplug to avoid heat buildup. If charging is slower than expected, swap to another certified charger and cable to isolate the fault. If it still refuses to fast charge, reboot the phone, check for MIUI updates, and inspect the USB port for debris. These steps usually fix negotiation or software-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.